How Pringles are made in the factory. From potato to perfect chip Pringles, known for their unique shape and flavor, are one of the world's most popular snack foods. Unlike traditional potato chips, which are made by slicing whole potatoes and frying them, Pringles are created through a fascinating and meticulous process that involves turning potatoes into a dough, shaping them into uniform chips, and then frying them to perfection. Here's a breakdown of how Pringles are made in the factory, from potato to perfect chip. The journey of Pringles begins with sourcing high-quality potatoes. Unlike traditional chips that use whole potatoes, Pringles are made from dehydrated potato flakes. These flakes are made from potatoes that have been peeled, cooked, and dried. The use of dehydrated potato flakes ensures consistency in texture and quality across every Pringle. These potato flakes are then transported to the Pringles production facility, where they will be rehydrated and mixed with other ingredients to form the dough. In the factory, the dehydrated potato flakes are combined with water, cornstarch, and other ingredients, such as vegetable oils and seasonings. This mixture forms a dough-like consistency, which is then thoroughly kneaded to ensure an even distribution of ingredients. The dough is smooth, pliable, and ready for shaping. The dough is essential because it helps create Pringles' signature uniform thickness, texture, and flavor. Unlike regular potato chips, which are sliced directly from whole potatoes, Pringles are designed to be uniform in shape, making the dough preparation a critical part of the process. Once the dough is mixed, it's rolled out into thin sheets. This is where the magic happens. The dough is fed into a machine that uses a series of metal plates with a Pringle-shaped die. This die forms the dough into the signature saddle-like shape that Pringles are known for. The shape is essential for both the aesthetic and practical aspects of Pringles. The unique shape ensures that each chip stacks neatly in the can, maximizing packaging efficiency. After the dough is shaped into perfect chips, the individual pieces are cut out using a rotating blade. The chips are then transferred to a conveyor belt for the next stage in the production process. The shaped dough chips are then fried in hot oil. Pringles are typically fried in vegetable oil at temperatures around 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius. The frying process is fast, lasting only a few minutes, which helps the chips retain a light, crispy texture. The oil quickly cooks the chips, creating that signature crispiness while locking in the flavors. During the frying process, excess oil is drained from the chips to ensure they're not greasy, which helps maintain their lightness and crispness. The frying process is key to creating the perfect texture, crispy and light, but with a satisfying crunch. Once the chips are fried and crisp, they are coated with seasonings. This is where the wide variety of Pringles flavors comes into play. The chips are passed through a seasoning machine, where the desired flavor mix is evenly sprinkled onto each chip. Pringles come in a range of flavors, from classic original to more exotic options like sour cream and onion or BBQ. The seasoning is carefully applied to ensure that each chip is coated evenly, creating that perfect taste in every bite. After the seasoning process, the chips are carefully inspected for quality and consistency. Any chips that are broken or misshaped are removed during this step. The remaining chips are then transferred to the familiar Pringles cans. The canister packaging is not just for convenience, but also ensures that the chips are stacked neatly, minimizing breakage during transport. Each can is sealed tightly to preserve the freshness of the chips, and the cans are labeled with the product information and flavor. Once the Pringles cans are sealed, they are packed into larger boxes and shipped off to distribution centers and retailers worldwide. Pringles are now ready to be enjoyed by snack lovers everywhere.